Okay, now we will adjust the width of this theme, the layout, the widgets, and the menu of this website or blog. Okay, let's begin. Again, go to this blogger section, and here you will see the statistics, the status of your website, how many people visited your website in the past, how they show the detailed analytics of your website. Is the traffic sources, and this is the post. Okay, now click on pages. Let's create a few pages. New page. Title is blogger posts. And let's publish this. Let's create a new page. Video is coming soon. Click on publish. Now we will add these two pages to the here to the menu section and adjust the theme and layout. Click on the layout. So this is the layout, current layout of our website. Here this is the navigation bar, with the header, the cross column, and this is the sidebar, and this is the main post area. Click on add a gadget, and here select label or pages. Click on pages. Click on this plus sign. We have these three pages. Tick them all and click on save. Now let's refresh this page, and here you see these are the pages we have just recently built. So you can adjust them. Now this is the sidebar. On the sidebar, click on this add a new, and let's add the recent posts. Click on the featured post or the highlighted posts. Show post title, show post text. Click them, save it. Currently I don't have a single post in my page, so this is showing this deselect a post, so we will leave this for a later time. Okay, now we are going to adjust the width of this theme. Now save arrangement and click on theme. This is the mobile phone view of our website, and this is the desktop view of our website. Now we are going to customize this. Click on customize. This is the background detail. If you want to display a photo on anything, just add an image to this section. Adjust the widget. Okay, this is the width of the entire blog. Let's increase this width to stretch to the, and this is the width of the sidebar. That's it. It's looking good. Apply to blog, and now let's go back to blogger and refresh this page. Here you see this is the new display view of our blogger post account, our online blogger edu blogspot.com. The address of this is the menu, and we can add other widgets to this right side bar and the footer. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos. Okay, if you want to add a custom domain name to your website, then you will need to buy a custom domain from somewhere else like GoDaddy or any other domain providers. Just buy a domain and forward that domain to this one, so your blog post will display that domain. And the best thing about the Blogger is that it's simple and it is not costing any money for hosting. The hosting is free on Google Blogger. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos. Thank you.